Now the topic is Kelvin bridge. Kelvin bridge, the modified form of Wheatstone bridge is called Kelvin bridge. Kelvin bridge is used to measure resistance below 1 ohm. That it is, Kelvin bridge is used to measure a very low resistance. The Kelvin bridge is shown in the diagram. Ry represents the resistance of the connecting leads from R3 to Rx. Here, this is Ry, that is A to C. This is a resistance R1 in arm 1, this is R2 at arm 2, R3 at arm 3, R4 at arm 4. This resistance connected here is A to B. We can connect at 3 different points. The galvanometer, one point is connected here, another point may be connected A or B or C. It is possible to connect the galvanometer to any one point of the 3 points. They are A, B, C. If the galvanometer is connected to the point A, suppose the galvanometer is connected at a point A, the value of the resistance Rx is higher than the R3 because A to C is included in Rx. Okay, suppose the galvanometer is connected at point A, connected to point A. So R4 value is higher than R3, that it is given here. The value of the resistance Rx is higher than R3 because A to C is included in Rx. This is A to C is included in R4 or Rx. Therefore, this value is higher than R3. That is given here. The value of the resistance Rx is higher than R3 because A to C is included in Rx. Similarly, the galvanometer is at point C. Suppose the galvanometer is point at C. Okay. Then this value is higher than this value, that is Rx or R4. The value of the resistance R3 is higher than the Rx because A to C is included in R3. Point here means this value is included R3, therefore R3 is higher than Rx. The value of the R3 is higher than Rx because A to C is included in R3. Suppose the galvanometer lead at point B. At point B, it's equal on both sides. That is the point C is at the center of A and C. The ratio of the resistance A to B and B to C equals the ratio of the resistance R to R and R2. Then RCB divided by RAB equal to R1 divided by R2. RCB is RCB. This one is RCB. This one is RAB. RCB is included in RX. RAB is included in R3. Okay. Therefore, RCB divided by RAB equal to R1 divided by R2. RCB is included with RX. RAB is included with R3 equal to R1 divided by R2. Then RX plus RCB equal to R1 divided by R2. This term comes to here. That is R3 plus RAB. This equation form equation number 1. As per the diagram, RAB plus RCB equal to RY. RAB, RCB. RCB equal to RY. Then RCB divided by RAB equal to R1 divided by R2. Adding 1 on both sides, the equation value will not change anything. Okay, RCB plus RAB, taking this one as a LCM, we can get this term. Okay, RAB equal to RCB plus RAB divided by RAB. Similarly, R2 as a LCM here, therefore we can get R1 plus R2 divided by R2. Then RCB plus RAB equal to RY. We can put, instead of this one, we can put RY divided by RAB equal to the same value. Then RAB equal to, cross multiply, RAB equal to R2 into RY divided by R1 plus R2. Then RCB equal to RY minus RAB, this one, equal to RY. Instead of RAB, you have to substitute this value, RAB equal to this value. Therefore, taking LCM, finally RCB equal to R1 RY divided by R1 plus R2. Substituting the equation 2 and 3 in equation 1. 2, 3 and equation 1. Finally, we can get Rx plus R1 Ry divided by R1 plus R2 equal to R1 divided by R2 into R3 plus R2 Ry divided by R1 plus R2. Rx plus R1 Ry divided by R1 plus R2. Multiply these two term R1 R3 divided by R2 plus multiply these two term R1 R2 Ry divided by R2 into R1 plus R2. Then Rx equal to R1 R3 divided by R2, R1 R2 Ry divided by this term R2 into R1 plus R2. Then this is in left hand side, if it comes to right hand side, minus term here, R1 Ry divided by R1 plus R2. Taking total LCM, we can cancel that. These two terms get cancelled. Remaining is R1 R2 into R1 plus R2 divided by R2 R1 plus R2. These two terms get cancelled. R1 R3 divided by R2. Therefore, Rx equal to R1 R3 divided by R2.